So today we are here to launch a book significant titled as Keep Craft. Keep Craft invites you into an active conversation about your inner potential instead of offering theories alone. It guides you through experiences that help you understand how your mind, attention, and energy create the path. This book exists for anyone who seeks a deeper sense of alignment, steadiness, and purposeful movement in both work and life. Why this book exists? The vision behind Keep Craft is simple to help you understand your own inner rhythm so you can shape a life filled with clarity, creative flow, and calm strength. Every idea in these pages was created to empower daily progress through awareness and intentional action. What this book helps you build? A clear understanding of your personal patterns of focus, energy, and emotion. A rhythm that supports steady progress across all your commitments. Practices that translate inner awareness into meaningful external results. A sense of emotional steadiness that supports long term growth. Why you may feel drawn to read it. If you crave clarity amidst a full schedule, desire ease in your workflow, or wish to understand yourself with greater depth, these books offer tools that meet you exactly where you are. Each section brings you closer to an inner state where ambition and calm move together. What the author hopes to share. Keep Crafts offer a perspective that blends psychology, reflection, and everyday wisdom. His intention is to support your journey gently, helping you create patterns that allow your strength to shine with ease. At its core, Keep Craft is an invitation to live with purpose, guided by awareness, presence, and grounded inner rhythm. About the author, Mohammad Arshad Parvez Nadwi, author of Keep Craft, The Art of Making Progress That Continues, was born on 24th September 1994 in Tauli, Panchayat, Dagrua Block, Purnia District, Bihar, India. His learning journey began in a small maktab near his home where he received his foundational Islamic education in 2018. He moved to Lucknow to continue his studies in Arabic and Islamic sciences. He is a successful completed his education in 2016 from Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow, one of the India's most respected Islamic institution. He later earned master's degree in Urdu from Purnia University. From early childhood, Arshad cultivated a deep love for reading. His consistent habit of studying, reflecting, or summarizing books shaped his understanding of discipline, learning, and personal growth. His dedication to knowledge earned him second place in a national level Arabic essays competition, where he presented a 55-page research essay, a significant milestone in his academic journey. After completing his studies, Arshad embraced teaching as his first profession, guided by his desire to share knowledge and inspire others. Alongside teaching, he explored the world of business where his curiosity about self-development, purpose, and mastery involved into a life-side pursuit. Keep Craft represents Arshad believes in the steady power of awareness and discipline. He views motivation as the spark that awakens action and mastery as the path that carries it forward. Through his writing, he invites to discover clarity, balance, and sustainable growth, creating success rooted in peace, purpose, and continuous learning. Thank you so much.